Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to mute WhatsApp group on your Android device. Sometimes, you may want to mute notifications for a group chat to avoid getting notifications for every message. Let's get started. To begin, open the group chat that you want to mute notifications for. Tap on the name of the group chat at the top of the screen to access the group settings. Once you're in the group settings, scroll down until you see the Mute Notifications option. Tap on it to proceed. You'll then see the option to select the length of time you'd like to mute notifications for. You can choose to mute notifications for 8 hours, 1 week, or 1 year. Select the desired length of time, and then tap on OK to confirm. Once you've muted notifications for the group chat, you'll no longer receive notifications for new messages in the group chat. However, you'll still be able to see the messages when you open the chat. It's important to note that muting notifications for a group chat does not mean that you have left the group. You'll still be a member of the group and can participate in the chat whenever you want. If you want to unmute notifications for the group chat, simply follow the same steps and select Unmute Notifications instead of Mute Notifications. Muting notifications for a group chat can be helpful in many situations, such as when you're in a busy group chat or when you're trying to avoid distractions during work or study time. In case you want to mute notifications for all WhatsApp chats, you can do so by going to WhatsApp settings, selecting notifications, and then selecting the desired length of time to mute notifications for. That's it. You've successfully learned how to mute WhatsApp group on your Android device. Muting notifications can help you avoid getting notifications for every message in a group chat. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thank you for watching.